Guys, this my Ate Chandra will found a gold rock and put it in water sink. So look like a goldfish. And look, Ate Chandra still fine. But it look like a goldfish. So you can't get the goldfish, but you don't control it because it's a gold.
No, save. That is dirty. Nana will get mad at you. You will be wet. Save. No,
We'll
throw
have
this
this rock.
away.
And we'll have
No,
this
throw
rock.
this away. No, Nana will be mad. You will be wet. No, save. Tawa, oh. Oh, you better, you better drain that or else I'm gonna tell Nana. Okay, show that to Nana. Show that to Nana.